It's a video presentation of lot 313, A6 rotary table. Got a 3-jaw buck chuck included with it. It's also got a the collet closer on it. Obviously they're not using right now because they have a manual chuck on there. Go ahead and move it around a little bit. This particular unit has the 2 cords coming off of it, not the single cord, so this is the brushless upgrade. So the motors have been replaced. This is obviously a newer VF3, so it's working on that without a conversion box. This concludes the video presentation of lot 313, CWF auction ending October 23rd.